In this video, we are going to solve the problems involving with quadratic equations. Exercise 3.12. First question, if the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5, find the number. Solution. Solution. Let x be the number. Therefore, the reciprocal is 1 by x. By data, that is from the problem, difference between a number and its reciprocal. Therefore, x minus 1 by x equal to 24 by 5, which implies this you have to convert into quadratic equation. Take LCM, x square minus 1 divided by x equal to 24 by 5, which implies 5x square minus 5 equal to 24x. Therefore, we are getting the quadratic equation is 5x square minus 24x minus 5 equal to 0. Here it is very clear that the product is minus 25 and sum is minus 24. Therefore, the numbers are minus 25 and plus 1. You divide by 5x. You can cancel this. It becomes 5. Therefore, this equation implies x minus 5 into 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, we are getting x is equal to 5 comma minus 1 by 5. Therefore, the numbers are 5 comma minus 1 by 5. These are the required numbers. Second question, a garden measuring 12 meter by 16 meter is to have a pedestrian pathway that is W meters wide installed all the way around so that it increases the total area to 285 meters square. What is the width of the path? It's required. Here we have to consider the garden, then along with the path also you have to consider. So here I consider two rectangles. The inside one is the garden. So it's 12 meter by 16 meter. Clear, children? The pathway is wide W. This is W. Therefore, both the sides we are getting W, Therefore, this length is 12 meter plus 2W. And this side is 16 plus 2W. Solution. From data and the diagram, we are getting the area is equal to 12 plus 2W into 16 plus 2W, which is equal to 285 meter square. This is given. Clear, children? Now we have to simplify this. Now 12 into 16, 192 plus 12 2s are 24W plus 2 16s are 32W plus 4W square equal to 285. Thus we can simplify 4W square plus 24 plus 32, that is 56W. 192 minus 285, that is minus 93 equal to 0. Here the product is 4 into minus 93. 4 90s are 360, then 4 3s are 12. It becomes minus 372. And sum is equal to plus 56. Now we have to collect the numbers. Suitable numbers we have to find. Here 60 into 4 means it's only 240. So we have to go for higher. So I am taking 62 and minus 6. Since while adding these two we should get 56. Clear, children? You add these two, we are getting 2 6 are 12. Okay, children, 1 balance, 6 6 are 36 plus 1 is 37. So we are getting 372 while taking product with 62 and 6. This is plus 4W square is there. So you can divide by 4W. You can cancel with the common factors. It's 2 and this is 31. Here also with 2 you can do 3 and this is 2. Therefore, we are getting this is 2W plus 31 into 2W minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, W is equal to minus 31 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Now we obtain two values. One is negative. Never the length becomes negative. Therefore, the wide of the path equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5 meters. This is the unit which is given. So I have to use this. Third question. A bus covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 km per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the bus. Okay, children. Solution. You know that time taken is equal to distance by speed. Here we have to find the original speed. Let the original speed is equal to x. Okay, children. Kilometer per hour. Therefore, time taken. Time is equal to distance is 90 divided by speed is x. Now the speed has been increased. Now the speed has been increased by 15 km per hour. Therefore, time taken, time is equal to 90, distance is same, divided by x plus 15. Clear, children? Therefore, by data, what's given? It would have taken 30 minutes less. Therefore, 90 by x minus 90 by x plus 15 equal to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is equal to half an hour. Since 30 minutes equal to half an hour. Clear, children? So now, as usual, you have to do the simplification. This implies you take LCM 90x plus 90 into 15. 9 15s are 135 with 10 minus 90x, which is equal to x into x plus 15 by 2. X into x plus 15. Clear, children? So now this 90x we can cancel. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2. That 2 you can cross multiply. It becomes 270. 135 into 2 is 270 with 10 equal to x square plus 15x, which implies x square plus 15x minus 2700 equal to 0. This we have to factorize. While factorizing this, we are getting two values, which implies x plus 60 into x minus 45 equal to 0. You add these two numbers, we are getting plus 15. Take the product, 6 into 45, that is 270. So, minus 2700 we are getting. Clear, children? Therefore, we are getting x is equal to minus 60 comma 45, but you know that the speed is positive quantity. Therefore, the original speed is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. This is the required answer. Fourth question, a girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years hence, the product of their ages will be 375. Find their present age. Solution. Girl, her sister. Okay, children. Present age. Present age, I am assuming the girl's age is X and her sister age is Y. After 5 years, it becomes X plus 5 and this will be Y plus 5. So what's given? A girl is twice old as her sister. From the first one I am getting X is equal to 2Y. From the second, the product, that is X plus 5 into Y plus 5 equal to 375. First one, this is first equation and this is the second equation. Therefore, the second equation implies X is equal to 2Y. Therefore, it becomes 2Y plus 5 into Y plus 5 minus 375 equal to 0. which implies now you take the product 2y square plus 10y plus 5y plus 25 minus 375 equal to 0. It becomes 2y square plus 15y minus 350 equal to 0. Here it's very clear that the product is minus 700 and sum is 15. Therefore, the numbers are plus 35 minus 20. You add both, you are getting plus 15. Take the products, we are getting minus 700. You divide by 2y. You can cancel this. It becomes 2y plus 35 into y minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, we are getting y is equal to minus 35 by 2, comma 10. Y is age of the sister, her sister. Therefore, it becomes only positive when y is equal to 10. 1 implies x is equal to 20. Therefore, age of the girl is equal to 20 and age of her sister equal to 10. This is the required ages. Fifth question. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular ground of diameter 20 meter in such a way that the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates P and Q on the boundary is 4 meter. Is it possible to do so? If answer is yes, at what distance from the two gates should the pole be erected? This is the given question. For this, we have to consider a circular ground. This is the diameter. The end points are P and Q. These are the gates. Now I am marking a point here. Okay, children. This is the pole. I am taking as P1. Clear, children? Or you can go with different letter. I am going to join this also. Now listen here, this triangle PQP1 is 90 degrees. Since it's a semicircle, PQ is the diameter. Okay, children. Here I am assuming this is x. Therefore, this will be x minus 4. Since they given the distance between, the difference between these two distances is 4 meters. Also, they given the distance between the gates is 20 meter. Clear, children? Now we can assume solution. Let PQ is equal to 20 meter, P PP1 is equal to x meter and P1Q is equal to x minus 4 meter. Therefore, from triangle PQP1, we can use Pythagoras theorem, that is PQ square equal to PP1 square plus P1Q square, which implies PQ square, that is 20 square, that is 400, equal to PP1, that is x square plus x minus 4 the whole square. Thus we can simplify. We are getting x square plus x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 400 equal to 0, which implies 2x square minus 8x minus 384 equal to 0. We can divide by 2. It becomes x square minus 4x minus 192 is equal to 0. It's minus 16 and plus 12 equal to 0. You take the addition, we are getting minus 4. Take the product, we will get minus 192. Therefore, we are getting x is equal to plus 16 comma minus 12. Therefore, we can fix the pole with the given condition. Clear, children? Therefore, we can fix the pole. We can fix the pole at a distance of 16 meter and 12 meter from the gates P and Q respectively. So this is the required data. I hope you will be thorough with these problems. We can learn the rest of the problems from this exercise in the next video. All the best. May God bless you. We can meet in the next video soon.